This is the SafeLogic TopLit from SecureM Systems. And what we're going to show you in this video is how we recover from a lost code. So the code that I had in previously was 236790, and I'll show you what that sounds like when it recognizes that as an incorrect code. I thought it was 236790, but it goes beep, 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 which means that's the wrong code. So I must have forgotten my code. How do I resolve this issue? I can contact the safe manufacturer or the locksmith who installed the safe lock, and then they can provide me with a manager reset code. And what this does is it allows me to delete the unknown code and add a known code so I can recover. So I contact the safe manufacturer and I say, hey, I've lost my code or I've forgotten my code. They'll say, great, let's enter the manager code. And when we enter the manager code, we're going to hold down the last digit of the manager code to do a deletion of the unknown code. So here's what we do. We enter the manager code, whatever the code that the safe manufacturer gives you to do this. I'm going to do is 121212. That obviously won't be the code that you get from your manufacturer. Enter the code 121212 and hold down the last digit of the code until you get that second set of beeps. It goes beep and then beep beep. Now press the number 3. And the number 3 erases whatever the user code was. So now what I can do is I can use that manager code in order to create a new user code. So I'm going to do the similar process, but this time instead of holding the number 3, I'm going to press the number 1. And then it'll ask me, then I'll be able to enter whatever code I want it to be. So 121212, hold. Beep. Beep, beep. Press the number 1, beep. Now enter the code you want it to be. So let's say 236790. Repeat, 236790. Now I can enter the code 236790, and it's now saved that code as my own code. So let's try that. 236790, and it opens for me. So that's how you recover from a lost or unknown code. You need to have the manager code in order to do this. The user code can't do this. So you need to be able to contact the safe manufacturer to get the manager code, and then you can complete this process. They'll walk you through it. So that's how you recover from an unknown or lost code.